Texas uses a percentage of income model to calculate child support, which is primarily based on the net income of the non-custodial parent, the parent who spends less time with the child, and the number of children requiring support. The state provides guidelines that courts typically follow, although judges have some discretion to deviate from these guidelines in certain circumstances. For one child, the standard amount is 20% of the non-custodial parent's net resources, increasing to 25% for 2 children, 30% for 3 children, and so on, up to a maximum of 40% for 5 or more children. It's important to note that Texas caps the amount of monthly net resources subject to child support at $9,200 as of September 1, 2019. This means that if a non-custodial parent's monthly net resources exceed this amount, the court will calculate child support as if their net resources were $9,200, unless special circumstances justify a higher amount. This cap is adjusted every 6 years to account for inflation, with the next adjustment due in 2025. While the formula provides a straightforward calculation in many cases, there are factors that can complicate the process. For instance, if the non-custodial parent has other children from different relationships, the percentage may be adjusted. Additionally, the court may consider factors such as the child's educational needs, any special medical expenses, or significant disparities in the parent's incomes when determining whether to deviate from the standard guidelines. It's also worth noting that child support in Texas typically continues until a child turns 18 or graduates from high school, whichever occurs later, unless the child is disabled, in which case support may continue indefinitely. If you are in the Arlington, Texas area and would like professional advice, contact attorney Violet Nwokoye at 817-962-0773.